This is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign in if necessary. After that, just type in the Opera query at the search bar, then download and install the app. This one, the Opera browser app that we were looking for. Now let's go ahead and launch it. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet unavoidable setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button, decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera. Also choose if you want to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. And finally, at this page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.